And today I'll be analyzing the problems and solution of Fly High Airline. The number of cities that we operate in are Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, and the number of airplanes that we have are 7, which are A320. So our company Fly High is in a financial crunch. So due to which we are facing heat from our investors. The problem is that the performance of the company is going down. So one of the reasons is the revenue has decreased and certain costs have increased over the time. So problem one is the only source of sales is the counter sales. The website is not working. Second problem is baggage claims has increased to 50% over the last 2 years. That means more baggage is being lost. The hangar fees has increased 60% over the years. The occupancy rate is less than the average of the metropolitan cities. Problem 5, the ad revenue has remained stagnant, but it increased in 2018, but it's low now. The revenue of the company has decreased by 8% over the last 2 years. So the solution for problem 1, which is the website, is that the website has been not it's not working. So first we can shift our focus to stable platforms like Trivago and TripAdvisor. Then when we generate stable revenue, we can go back to the website and add chatbots and features like that. Yeah. So problem 2, the baggage claim. The baggage claim has increased to 50% over the last 2 years. So the possible reasons might be that miscarriage of luggage, the people transporting it to the airport in the way it's being lost, and we have a manual tracking system and not an automatic one. The solutions might be that we can add a QR or a barcode, and you can use artificial intelligence to track it on the conveyor belt where it is at all times, and we can train staff for better management. Problem 3, the hangar. So the hangar fees has increased 60% over the last few years. So the possible reason might be that the crew is being late, and the waiting list for the hangar is very big. And the solutions can be that we can reduce delay by having spare pilots or spare crew members, and we can reschedule the flight. So problem 4, occupancy rate. So the occupancy rate has decreased, but the current occupancy rate is more than the national average if compared to individual metropolitan cities. So the solutions might be that we can, if the website is fixed, then in metropolitan cities where technology is prime, the occupancy rate will automatically increase, and we can uh, offer discounts to customers. And so problem 5. So in we can also, if the baggage claim is also resolved, then the reputation of the company will uh, increase or remain the same, so many people will come. For ad revenue has remained stagnant over the years, so we can increase it by asking sponsors, and you can put the logo on our planes, and we can also earn ad revenue by ancillary revenue by selling merchandise like t-shirts and caps. We can also do in-flight advertisements. So problem 6 is revenue. So if all the factors above mentioned above are fixed, then revenue will automatically increase. Thank you. If you have any questions, you may ask.